is about this year. It's just peace, gratitude, kindness, centered vibes, and just being very conscious of who I am and having a grounded sense of consciousness awareness of who I am versus who I am. So yeah, it's such a great place and so much more so than I was last year and the year before. I'm just really coming to know who I am as a woman, as a person, as a human being, as a spiritual being. And I'm just so grateful. I'm just living in gratitude. I am so appreciative of today, the sun shining on me. I'm so grateful for that, you guys. So grateful to be able to see this beautiful scenery. I'm looking at these beautiful, beautiful plants down here and just admiring the view. I'm just so thankful. So, yeah. I want to show you how my mom styled my bedroom. It looks so amazing. Oh my God, I'm just like so gaga over it. It's so gorgeous. And I'm gonna insert a picture to show you what it looked like this morning. Hot mess. Not style, but look how it looks now.
Green is kind of picking up the blue shadow from the blue background.
Oh, it's pretty. I like it. Yeah. Super pretty.
You can switch them out when you want to.
It looks really good.
I'm stuck here in between. I'm looking for the right words to say.
Still vibing on my new bedroom setup, guys. I had my bed and everything, but it just wasn't as gorgeous as when my mom came over and Mama zhuzhed it up and got it all the way together. And it's just so cute. We still are working on this. She wants to put like a really pretty throw right here with a tray and something really glam. I need something underneath my TV, And as you can see, I got new flooring. We've got new paint, which I'm so obsessed with the paint color. I want to get chandelier here. And we're just redoing new lamps. Of course, these are from my old room, but I want some lamps that are like really, really big at the bottom, really nice. And then of course we need new end tables or new nightstands as well. Anyways, you guys, this is it. We just have a chair here, which I need something to catch all my pillows with. These are my beddings that came off the bed, and it's just so cute. And I love my headboard. This is a king bed, but this is the headboard, and it's a really pretty, there you can see the color now of the blue. It's that color against the gray. It's really, really pretty. Tufted, of course, and it's velvet. So it's super, super glam. I love it. These are pretty. I got all these pillows. Well, not all, but I got these from Burlington. To hear it from TJ Maxx. I have some BB ones from Burlington. Like this one here is let's see, BB, that is from Burlington. And my mom, she is such a doll. She picked out everything and even went to bat for my pillows. So shout out to my mom, the real MVP. I think these are from BB as well. And my mom is so dope. I got a new laptop for my birthday. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this, guys, because my other laptop, my screen went out on me. I had it quite a while though. I'm not sure how many years I've had it, but it went out on me. So now I have the dark, smoky kind of gray color, which is cool. I'm getting ready to transfer my information from my previous computer to this one. So now that the kiddos are asleep, that is what I'm getting ready to do. And the things is once my kiddos are sleeping, so I think it is like after 10:30 now. And yes, so on the side of my bed, I still have my prayer for your children, which I got from Lakewood Church here in Houston. So amazing, you guys. Joe Holstein is the pastor. He is amazing. If you have not checked him out, what are you waiting on? And then I have my illuminated Bible here on this side. And then I have in here, this is my little box. I got this from the gallery. And I've got some crystals in here. I've got some elf makeup wipes and a little adapter by my bedside so far. And I just put this here today. using